Hello. Today we're going to go over the installation of the SurveyIR microscope accessory into the Shimadzu IR Spirit. A few things you're going to need is the base plate, the stage clip adapter, the stage clip, 3/32 ball driver, 2 purge tubes, and the USB power cord. To attach the base plate, you're going to need to invert the SurveyIR, find the 2 locating pinholes, followed by the 3 attachment screw holes. Go ahead and flip the base plate over and screw in the 3 screws. Then you need to insert the purge tubes. To do this, you're going to flip the unit back over and then simply push in the purge tubes until they lock in. You're now ready to insert the SurveyIR into the Shimadzu Spirit. Make sure the Spirit is clear of all accessories in the sample compartment, and then place the SurveyIR into the sample compartment until the front piece finds the groove in the front of the unit. And you can adjust the front support foot and extend or lock down the base plate. You can insert the USB power cord. Now you're ready to install the XYZ stage. To do this, you're going to find the 2 pins underside the stage clip, and insert those into the 2 holes on the stage, and then lock down the stage clip with the thumb screw. Once it is tight, you're going to insert the stage clip adapter, and you are now ready for installing a 1x3 slide for running a sample in reflection. To do this, simply pull back on the stage clip and insert the microscope slide. You can adjust the slide using the X and Y controls on the stage clip, and then use the coarse and fine focus to adjust the height. You can use the measurement tool to measure your sample, and then select the corresponding aperture. Move over to the side to a clean area of the slide to take a background. Once the background has been completed, preview your slide again and position the aperture over the sample. Once the aperture is centered over the sample, you can collect your infrared spectrum. Using the search tool at the top, you can search for a best library hit to identify your sample. For setting up the microscope for a measurement and transmission, you will first need to lower the stage and remove the 1x3 slide, if one is installed. Then insert a 1x3 3-hole slide using an infrared transparent window. Position the slide as you did before, and bring your sample up into focus. Once again, use the measurement tool to get your best idea of what size your sample is for selecting an aperture. Once you have the correct aperture selected, slide off to a clean portion of your salt plate window, and you're going to use the condenser focus knob to maximize your background energy. Once you have maximized your energy, you can go ahead and collect a background. Once a good background has been collected, you're now ready to position your sample underneath your aperture and collect a sample. Running a sample with the Diamond ATR. To do this, you need to remove the stage clip adapter and any microscope slide on the stage. Then you can install the contact alert plate. Simply slide the contact alert plate onto the stage, pull back the stage clip, and then make sure to plug in the contact alert into the side jack labeled for the contact alert. You can now clip on the front diamond ATR, make note of the rounded corners and the 2 locating pins. You just simply slide the ATR underneath the front objective until it finds the locating pins, and then clip in the sides. As long as no sample contact is being made, you can collect a background. Once a background has been collected, go ahead and place the system into monitor mode, and you can start to make contact with your sample. Make note of the illumination choices, as transmission is usually best for visualizing sample contact. As you start to make contact, observe the infrared spectrum as the spectral bands start to increase, and then increase the pressure on your sample until the meter goes green and you're ready to collect a sample.